Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to address the question of whether or not you can drink coffee if you have fatty liver. We will discuss the potential benefits and risks associated with drinking coffee if you have fatty liver. Now, let's get started. At least 30% of the general population, plus another 80% of those with obesity or type 2 diabetes, have experienced fatty liver at some time. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, referred to as fatty liver, is a highly prevalent illness in the 21st century, characterized by an inflammation of the organ due to excess stored fat. If neglected, it can lead to cirrhosis or, in more extreme cases, cancer. Having a healthy diet is one of the best ways to manage and prevent fatty liver. People often wonder if coffee is a good option for them to drink, given its varied reputation. In this video, we will be exploring the answer to this question: benefits and properties of coffee for fatty liver. For years, coffee consumption has been restricted by medical professionals due to its potential to raise blood pressure and worsen cardiovascular conditions. Now, however, coffee is viewed as more than a beverage. Research has revealed that caffeine in coffee is a great way to remove fat from the liver cells and stop it from building up. Caffeine from tea has been proven to be similarly beneficial. Some countries are even looking into medications with caffeine as their main ingredient to treat fatty liver and other diseases. Those with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease are generally advised to incorporate more coffee into their diets as a way to detoxify their livers. Additionally, in past videos, we have outlined what to eat if you have fatty liver so that you can have a better understanding of which foods to include, such as coffee, and which to avoid, how to drink coffee to treat fatty liver. It is best to practice moderation when consuming coffee. Generally, 4 small cups a day is the recommended amount, but be aware that this is equivalent to 2 cups of black coffee. It is ideal to consume 2 cups of coffee in the morning and afternoon with an additional tea if desired. If you have hypertension, it is best to talk to your doctor to find out if it is safe to include coffee in your diet. So, can I drink coffee if I have fatty liver? Based on the evidence of caffeine's benefits for the liver, the answer is yes. It is safe to drink coffee if you have a fatty liver. Doing so can help prevent more fat from accumulating in the liver and has a cleansing effect. However, it is still best to consult a doctor to ensure coffee is best for you, particularly if you have other health conditions like hypertension. Remember to drink coffee in moderation and consider natural herbal teas if desired. Now you can feel free to enjoy a cup of coffee. In conclusion, if you have fatty liver, it is important to be mindful of the amount of coffee you are consuming. It is also important to speak to your doctor about your individual situation to ensure that you are taking the proper steps to manage your fatty liver. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative.